Hello children, good afternoon all. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Dear students, today's subject is mathematics and today we will learn about playing figures. Dear students, previous class we all discussed about the point, line segment and ray. You all open your mathematics book, page number 31. So, students, today we learn about the plane figures. What is plane figures? Plane figures means shapes drawn on a plane are called a plane figure. All are look at this whiteboard. This is a plane surface and I draw some plane figures. Figures drawn on a plane are called plane figure. This is also a plane surface. The ground is also a plane surface. A shape or a figure drawn on a plane are called a plane figure. For example, triangle, rectangle, square, circle, these are called the plane figures. Using the points, lines and ray and curved line, we can draw this type of picture. Okay. Today we will also learn about the plane figures, that is triangle. What you see here? This is a triangle and it is also a plane figure. Next, this is a rectangle and it is also a plane figure. This is a square and it is also a plane figure. This is a circle. Okay. The triangle, rectangle, square and circle, these are the plane figures. Then now we read about the vertex. What is vertex? Vertex means that points where two sides meet is called a vertex or a corner. Two sides. These are two sides meet in a point. This point is called vertex or this is also called a corner. Where the two sides meet at one point, meet at a point. When two sides meet at a point, this is called vertex or a corner. Here, look at the triangle. This is A, B, C. Triangle A, B, C. Here, this is called the triangle A, B and C. This is the triangle. Look at the triangle A, B, C. Here the line segment AB, BC and AC are three sides of the triangle. AB, BC and AC are three sides of this triangle and this triangle has three vertex. Point A, point B and point C. AB and BAC. These 2 points are meet at one point, that is A. This is called vertex. AC and BC. This is meet at C point and this is also a vertex. And AB line and BC side. AB side and BC side meet at B point and this is also called a vertex. Two लाइन, दो लाइन जब एक पॉइंट में मिलते हैं उसे कहते हैं वर्टेक्स या कॉर्नर कहते हैं. ओके. A, B, C are called the vertex of the triangle A, B, C. A, B and C are called the vertex of the triangle ABC, and AB, BC and AC are called the edge or sides or edge of the vertex. This is side. So a triangle has three sides or three edges and three vertex and three corners. Three angles. A triangle has three sides, AB, BC and AC. Three vertex, A, B and C, and three angles, BAC angle, ACB angle and ABC angle. Okay, these are the plane figures. See here, this is a, now I draw here a rectangle. This rectangle has how many sides and how many vertex? This rectangle has four sides. These are the sides of this rectangle, side or edge, and the vertex A, B, C and D. A rectangle has four vertex and four sides. Okay, a rectangle has four vertex and four sides. Next, now I draw a square. A square also has four sides or four edges. And it has how many vertex? These are the vertex of the square, A, B, C and D. A square have four sides and four vertex. Okay, a square have four sides and four vertex. Next, I draw here another plane figure, circle. This is a circle. A circle has no sides and no vertex. ओके, ये सर्किल है, सर्किल में कोई साइड नहीं है या इसका कोई वर्टेक्स नहीं है, ये सिर्फ एक कर्व्ड फिगर है। ये जो है इसका एक कर्व्ड साइड है, सब सर्किल का एक ही साइड है वो जो कि कर्व्ड शेप है। ओके, ऑल ऑफ दिस फोर फिगर्स, प्लेन फिगर्स, all these plane figures are closed figure. These figures are called closed figures because as they begin and end at same point. When we draw a circle from this point, start drawing and ending the same point. When you draw a rectangle, start drawing to this point. Look here. And end in the same point. Next, square, starting from this point and ending in the same point. Circle, starting in the one point and ending in the same point. Okay, so these are also called closed plane figures. The plane figures are two types: open plane figures and closed plane figures. These figures are called closed figures, and this type of figures are called open figures. This type of figure, this is a curved line. Begin with one point and end with another point. or a angle. This is also a open plane figure. Okay, these are the open plane figure. Open plane figures are starting at one point, begin at one point and ending in another point. Okay, so you all, I hope you all understood about this chapter. These are plane figures: triangle, rectangle, square and circle. These are the plane figures: circle, square, rectangle and triangle. I hope you all understood this chapter. If you understood, you can ask me through your message. You all complete this exercise. Okay, thank you all. Have a good day. Goodbye.